Hey YouTube, the other day I made a memory pillow out of my dad's shirt, and his sleeve had a lot of these little buttons going down each sleeve. He had 3 on each side, and I wanted to make my sister something, so I took the buttons off and I got these posts that are like stainless steel posts. I think these are 6mm, and there's smaller ones that are 4mm that came in a pack from Amazon. And I got this glue for jewelry. And this is Aleene's. She makes a lot of craft supplies. And what I did was I just put the glue right here, and I dipped the head of the post into it. And then I just slipped it inside the button right here. And what I'm going to do is take my needle nose pliers, and I'm going to bend these prongs down over that. And the finished product will be like this one. And this will make a pair of little pearl earrings. I've never seen anybody make these, but this is another thing you can do with the shirt of a loved one that's passed on. You can take their buttons. My dad loves snap buttons. And you could just take the snap buttons off and make earrings out of them. And since it has 3 on each side, I'm able to make 3 pairs of earrings. I hope my sisters like them. But I wanted to give you this idea, another thing to do with your loved one's shirt. So you can wear, you know, maybe something that they would have wore every day too. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this idea.